Hello everyone, I want to make a very quick video about the different types of murder in the U.S. legal system. So we've all heard things like first degree, second degree manslaughter, but we don't necessarily know what they mean. So I'm going to outline them for you in terms of most severe to least severe, and then I'll explain which one I was arrested for and how that fits in. So the most severe, worst one is first degree murder. That means that you thought about it in advance. It was premeditated. So you came up with a plan. So let's say that I killed my ex-wife and I wrote in my diary for weeks before, I'm going to kill my ex-wife. I said, I'm going to kill my ex-wife on February 14th, 2024. I am going to do it by burning her house down. That's first degree murder. I'm not saying that I did that. That's an example. It's what we call in legalese a hypothetical scenario. Second degree murder is under that. That means that you killed someone, but it was in a heat of passion. You didn't plan it. It happened all of a sudden in the heat of the moment. So let's say my ex-wife and I got in an argument when I got home from the store because I forgot the fucking eggs. And I got pissed off. I get the gun out of the closet and I shoot her. I know that shooting her is going to kill her. I want to kill her. But I did not plan it any further than going into the closet. So it was the heat of the moment. That's second degree murder. Again, I did not do something like that. That is an example. Third degree murder means we don't have third degree murder in California. They only have this in certain states. But it would be something like if I gave my wife fentanyl to help her sleep and she died as a result of that. The person died because of a wanton disregard for human life. And that does not mean wonton soup. Wonton means, a careless disregard for human life. That'd be kind of funny if it was, third degree murder. You have to kill somebody with wonton soup. But we don't have that in California. Only some states have that, like I said. Involuntary manslaughter is voluntary manslaughter. So we have so far first, second, third degree, voluntary manslaughter. That means that you killed somebody in the heat of the moment and they deserved it. So what I mean by that is, let's say that I'm in a bar with my ex-wife and a guy comes up to her and he slaps her ass and I get in a fist fight with him. This didn't happen. Again, I'm just saying an example. And I punch him so hard that he falls into the road and gets hit by a car. The key distinction here is that it's not that it was in self-defense. I did not have a reasonable fear of my life in that moment. Self-defense would be if we got in the fist fight in the bar and he pulled out a gun and said, I'm going to kill you, and then I punched him and he fell into the street, that would be not voluntary manslaughter. I wasn't worried I was going to die, and I killed him anyway, but he kind of deserved it because he provoked me. Again, that didn't happen. So I'm just saying it's an example. Next is involuntary manslaughter. So that's something like I was drunk driving and I killed the person. That's like but it's different from third degree murder in the sense that I didn't get into the car and drink and, my action, honestly, I don't know how it's different from third degree murder. Maybe it's not. I think that that's probably why they got rid of third degree murder. Like in California, we don't have that. So that's that. Yeah. So I was arrested for something called conspiracy to commit first degree murder. So that means that they don't have any evidence that I did anything. The only evidence that they have is that I expressed a desire to kill my ex-wife and I expressed a plan. So I said, this didn't happen, but it would be if I said in my diary, I'm going to kill my ex-wife and I'm going to do it on February 14th. She ended up dead, but they don't know that I did it for sure. So they didn't find my fingerprints or they didn't find any fucking, anything like that. They don't have enough evidence to implicate me for the actual act. It's just the thought that I'm going to do it. That's conspiracy to commit murder. Conspiring. You're conspiring to do it. Okay, so I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll keep you updated.